Hello everyone, this is Mitra from Parenting Computer Solutions Global Private Limited. Hope you guys are doing well, right? So guys, in my previous session, I have talked with so many candidates of PCS Global and there are so many successful candidates. So if you wanted to know about them, you can go through our fireside chat videos. So right now, our EILP process is going on. That is a talent acquisition process and it's going on all over India basically. So there are loads of people who have joined PCS Global. Some of them have completed 1 month, some of them has completed 2 months. I have one candidate, his name is Lakshman Rao. He has completed 3 months in this process. So right now, I'm going to talk with him about this EILP process and what is his experience to work with PCS Global or about the training session and all. So hi Lakshman, this is Devamitra.
Hi, ma'am.
So can you give one introduction from your side about your academical background and why you have joined PCS Global, about all those things?
Okay, ma'am. Myself, Lakshman Rao. I am from Gangavati. It is from Karnataka, Kopla district.
Okay.
I did I completed mechanical engineering in Government Engineering College, Uvanadagli. After that, I worked in MNC company. Its name is Wistron Infotech. It's a manufacturing company. It's iPhone manufacturing company. After that, I decided to switch the IT field. After that, I did on course, Java developer course. That course also completed but I not get any job. Any job. After that, I continually searching. One day, on mail came for me for a CLP process.
Okay.
I attended CLP process before, but
Okay.
I not joined at that time. After that, again on mail came the ELP process.
Okay.
After that, I joined this process, man.
Okay, at first you got the mail about CILP. Yes, in PCS Global, there are several processes that are going on. CLP is one of our process and EILP is another process. So,
Yeah, ma'am.
Lakshman, when you have joined this EILP process, tell me about your experience, how you have started, because you have completed 3 months. That is long time. 3 months is to understand about one company, to understand about one process. 3 months is enough time. So,
Yeah,
is
ma'am.
it you got training in which technology? Java, right?
Java developer, madam.
Okay. So how our trainers has provided you that support? Tell us about that.
Trainer is very good, madam. Before I learned core Java, almost 1.5 month. We learned core Java, madam. After that, we started project. Now running project, madam.
Yeah, live project. You have joined live project. So in which project you have worked with?
Live project, not madam. It's card operation project like that.
Okay, okay. So Lakshman, after having that experience, what do you think that this process will help you? Like this knowledge, what you have got from PCS Global?
Yeah, it is very useful for madam. Useful for me for
Okay.
my career growth, and I learned so much. Before I did a course also. I did projects, but that much knowledge I not get there. Here, so much of knowledge I get here. So
Okay,
much
that
of good trainers is there in this company.
okay. So that means you got the knowledge what you have not got before getting this training.
Yeah,
In
ma'am.
your previous training, what PCS Global has provided you, you didn't get that in your academical training or whatever training you have done before joining PCS Global. So you can feel the difference between what PCS Global is providing, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So tell us about the training schedule. Like, how many days we are providing you the training? In 3 months, how many classes you have got from our side?
Continuously, madam. One section is core Java, another section project. Now newly started SQL, SQL also, madam.
Okay, you have
SQL,
just
and also first I before learned only backend only. Now I learned front end also. Alok sir told need to learn one front end language also. I learned now Angular, madam.
you learned Angular also.
Uh,
So what about the training, the instructors who is providing you the classes, how they are sharing their knowledge with you?
yeah, ma'am. It's very good for our problem will inform problem means immediately responding, madam.
Okay.
So,
Whenever you will feel any problem, they always respond immediately. Great.
yeah, ma'am.
So, have you joined a Saturday town hall?
Yeah, ma'am. I joined.
Okay. So, in Saturday town hall, what we do? Tell us about this.
There all are discussing about in program probleming how to solve. Oh, all are telling how to solve different opinion telling, madam, there.
Okay, so that is the process where we provide you the opportunity to showcase your projects and how much
Yeah,
progress you have done in your project, right? And
yeah,
there,
ma'am.
if there is any problem, or another coders also give the solution, how to solve it, and obviously tech mentors are over there to help
Yeah,
you
ma'am.
guys.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so what do you think, Lakshman? It really works. It really helps to you
It
to
is
solve
very
it.
useful. It is very useful for freshers, madam.
It is very
For fresher, we spending for course at least 50 to 1 lakhs. You spending, madam. In
yes.
me for course only. They are not guarantee for job or job giving or not. That purpose,
So
this one very useful for us, madam.
true. So this is the what Lakshman has said. I'm just trying to elaborate that thing. That is what we are providing. The thing that EILP is the process where we wanted to help the fresher candidates who wanted to start their career through PCS Global, and there are so many people who have got the training also, but what knowledge they have, they don't even know that knowledge is not going to help them to get a job, or if they got the job also, they are not going to sustain. So after joining PCS Global, what they experience, like Lakshman and another people also, I have talked with so many people, all of them have said the same thing, that what PCS Global is providing us, that is the exact industry based knowledge, and that is needed, guys. So what we are saying, that we are providing you the training, we are giving you the
Yeah,
opportunity to start your career, we are providing this. And after having 3 months training, today Lakshman is here. And it's not the commitment from my side. This is the candidate who has already worked, and what you can see that he is already satisfied with our service, right? So
yeah, ma'am.
Lakshman, what we commit, we provide, right?
What, madam?
What we commit, we provide. If PCS Global is saying that after having EILP training, you will get to know more about technologies and you will be market ready, or
Yeah,
the IT market ready. So what we are saying, we are providing this, right?
yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So Lakshman, after this 3 months training, have you got any opportunity to give any interview?
In interview once I given, madam. Before starting first month only I given. After that not came any interest, madam.
Okay, before starting, you give the interview. Okay, no, if you will get another opportunity to give the interview. The partner companies are there, and you will get the opportunity from our side.
Okay,
Okay.
madam.
So Lakshman, what you wanted to say to our youth candidates who has just joined EILP, because we have completed 3 months. So what you wanted to tell them?
Any fresher candidate need to join this company is very useful as save money also.
Save money also. True.
Yeah,
Because if you are going to do the courses from outside, what you will pay, it's more than 40,000, 50,000, or 1 lakh also. And in
yeah,
PCS Global, you can get the training totally free of cost. Only one registration charge is there, and after that, when you will get job, that time, if you wanted, that time the process will be different. So you will get to know about through our HR people, they will communicate with you. So what we commit, we provide, and what is the service we provide, that service is the quality service. It's not like that you will join and you will not going to get the service. Our tech mentors are superb, and they are providing the classes, and the process is for you guys. So kindly don't waste time, communicate and join and get the best from our side. So Lakshman, thank you for this interview. Okay.
thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so you have completed and 3 months, and you right now you will get the opportunity to go for the interview. So best of luck for your
Thank you, ma'am.
career ahead. Okay, so bye for now.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Welcome.